Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Musliman Nadi. I want to tell to you what I want to do. Every people have an activities they like. Me too. I have some activities that make me enjoy it. I like to read a book. That is novels. Why I like to read book? Because when I read some books, it make my life feel better. It make me to open a new world. It teach me to new knowledge and make my mind feel fresh. I have so many books in my home, in my cupboard. It can be novels about horror novels like Susuk. It can be novels about adventure like World of Sophia, Series Bumi, and so much more. And it can be novels about romance like Act of Money, Zero of Money, As a Mine, and maybe Rain. I have so many books in my cupboard. I so enjoy when I read a book. Maybe just that for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.